Hello everybody. Today I'm going to talk about what I wrote in here. As I'm going to write of the moon, warp drive, the speed of light in kilometers per minute, and miles per second, and E. First, Einstein theory. Well, the first place where we will begin is the E equals mc squared. Again, E is energy, but M is mass. But C is the speed of light. And squares is not light, but is light. So here in miles per second is 792.458 miles per second.
Meters per second.
Meters per second. Shut up, please. And here is 179 and 875, 47.5 kilometers per minute. Now here I put it 2 hydrogen and another hydrogen colliding, making helium, leading 2 electrons to the protons. Now
How helium is made? Takes 4 protons. Do it. First
Helium has
starts with
1.
protons. And they smash 1 proton.
No, they're going to tell me his.
It's helium. It's helium.
Okay, keeping going.
So
Wait,
now,
not finished how helium is made. Smash 2 helium atoms and create
this was
helium
me that
3.
made helium.
That's how we smash it.
Okay, let your brother do.
Helium 4 and the fusion cycle is completed.
Oh, that's making
Thank you.
helium. Yes.
Come, keep going.
So
Continue.
down here, I had put in a ship, an alien ship, and then the same ship coming back home. But there was a fussing. Here is Earth and the ship. 2006, we launched the ship. And we say, oh, they detected anything. Let's hop in our this.
Jake.
Hop in our 299 and 792.458 miles meters per second. And they hopped on. But then it was a false signal. So they passed 9 years in the same direction. And then another 87 years to go back to their home planet. Calculate all that with me. You get 186 years. Here I write it here, the speed of light in kilometers per minute. It is 139,875, 47.5 kilometers per minute. Speed, light. It's the same thing here. And here we can talk about the moon and Earth. It was yesterday that did this. Today it's a little further. The moon is moving further away from Earth every time. For the moon, for the Apollo, it was closer than to Saturn, but now it's further. So every day, in one point, the moon will be too far and it will escape Earth's pole, leaving the moon.
The thing that's going to happen before it is the sun is going to grow bigger, bigger, and bigger. It's going to run out of hydrogen, and nuclear fusion slow down. And that means gravity will start to win and compress the core and make fusion start until all the hydrogen.
One time we're going to
And the sun will blow up and
the moon yesterday was 384.400 kilometers from Earth, and it takes 27 days for the moon to orbit. And here is the work that I am exactly going to know. He's just going to disturb.
Don't worry about it. You keep going.
First person.
The workers that you bend stays behind you. And you may have a shield because it's going to be very fast.
Warp drives do not move, just circuit change space around them.
That's correct. That's what I was going to say. The space behind you makes you move, so you're not moving.
Space behind you expand, and space in front of you contract. First question to note is Rosmodeo Accubulary. The mathematical calculation.
Tell me talking here close to the camera.
The first person to do this was Rosmodeo Accubulary. He did mathematical calculation and showed that the warp drive is possible. The only thing you need now is negative energy to make the space expand behind you, and ordinary matter to make it contract here. Now you can go to the stars in a matter of seconds. You can go to the edge of the universe.
Thank
Probably
you.
across the edge of the universe. And with this warp drive, you can escape a black hole and you can enter a white hole. This
Incorrect.
math was did by Max on space-time. When
Okay.
at the end of one of his aliens videos, a person asked him the question if you could escape a black hole with a warp drive, and he said, yes, you can.
Okay. Now let's go
Not
over to
every
the
time. And here I have made a wormhole. My example how to run. I have a piece of paper opposite. A wormhole for me works like this. If I could get this paper to bend. So imagine this is space and time. You make a hole through here and another hole through here. All you gotta do is connect the holes. Connect the holes. And then you can hop in here. It doesn't work here. This is mine. And it goes through here and you pop out of here. That means you are from here. You want to get to point B and point A. Okay.
You actually overlapping things.
Don't worry. Point A, point B. You get through in no time. A quicker way to transport. So thanks for watching and bye.
That's not how wormholes actually work. Okay, I'm just going to make it a little bit more accurate. You're going to go to point A and B instead of going around a hole. We make a hole and connect the two ends. They go through. Now, a real wormhole in space just like an interstellar would look like a sphere. A spherical wormhole.
Okay.
And if we to make it, you need huge amounts of energy.
Okay.
You need to control a star.
I'm going to make a video about that.
Okay,
finish.
almost finished.
The time run out.
Oh, we out of time. I forgot to say we make another video.
You didn't let me finish. So, here is space and time. This is space and time. And here's the same thing up here. This is an ancient, and here's a human ship. They arrive in the same place, they are moving at the same speed. Poof. So, thanks for watching, and see you soon. See you.